Hello everyone, Grandma here.
And Grandpa.
The holiday season is here, and what better way to spread festive cheer than making these delicious pistachio wreath cookies. These delightful treats are not only visually appealing, but also packed with the nutty goodness of pistachios. We are using a vintage recipe that goes back to the 1970s. Grandma's sugar cookies for the cutout of the wreaths. What is nice about this recipe is you don't have to chill the dough. The ingredients are 1/2 cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 cups of sifted flour, 1 teaspoon vanilla, chopped pistachios, and red hot candies for decorating. In a large bowl, I'm going to cream together my butter and my sugar. And this will take a little bit of time because I'm doing it with my wooden spoon. I'm going to cream it all by hand. You want to keep blending the sugar and the butter till it's nice and light and fluffy. Now it's been blended well. I'm putting in the 1 egg now and the teaspoon of vanilla. And now this is going to be mixed well. Now we're going to put this aside and we're going to take our sifted flour and our baking powder and we're going to mix the two together. Okay, this is done now. It's been all blended well and mixed up. Now I'm going to add the flour and baking powder to my sugar and butter mixture. And now I'll stir it, mix it well. And that's how easy this recipe is to make. The dough is all formed now and it's ready to be rolled out and cut into wreath shapes.
Hello, Grandpa here. Now I'm going to be making the cookie dough cutouts. I've taken my dough that Grandma made and put it into a smaller bowl. So now I got to take it out of the bowl, cut it in half, put half back in the bowl, roll the ball, flatten it out on a floured board. I'm going to be rolling it out to about a little bit more than 1/8 of an inch for my cutout. Have my rolling pin here, put a little flour on it, and we start to roll it out. That looks about right. Going to dip our cookie cutter into some flour like that, so it makes it easy to get the dough off of it. Press our wreath cookie cutter into the dough. 1, 2, peel away our scrap, put it into the bowl with the rest of the dough. Now I take my cutouts, place them on my baking sheet. Here they are on the baking sheet. Now I have to continue the process of rolling the dough and cutting more wreaths out. I just put on my oven to 400 degrees, preheating my oven to 400 degrees. Now we've made some more cutouts. I get 3 more onto the tray, put them in the oven, and we bake it for about 10 minutes with our oven. Every oven is different, but our oven would require about 10 minutes to bake these cookies. And due to the baking pans that we're using, these thermal pans, they take a little bit longer to bake than your normal cookie sheets. Here's my cookie tray, 9 of them. So now we're going to put them into our preheated oven of 400 degrees and bake them for 10 minutes. All the cookies have been baked. We have a total of 17 cookies. Now we're going to do the decorating. We will be making a royal icing to decorate our wreath cookies. We need 4 cups or 16 ounces of confectionery sugar, 2 egg whites, and 4 teaspoons of lemon juice. To make our royal icing, we need a large bowl, and then we take our egg whites, put the egg whites into the bowl, get our electric mixer, and now I have to mix it to a frosty consistency before I put the confectionery sugar into it. I've got it to the frosty consistency. Now I'm going to start adding my confectionery sugar a little bit at a time. I've put half my confectionery sugar in. Now I'm going to be adding my lemon juice. We're using lemon juice to lemon flavor. You could use vanilla extract or almond extract or whatever you'd like flavor to make the royal icing. Our royal icing has all been mixed up. As you can see, I lift it up, you get the stiff peaks out of it. So the icing is done. Now I've got to transfer this into a smaller bowl and put a cover on it so it doesn't dry out on me.
Now we're going to decorate the wreaths, and we have our royal white icing, our pistachios, and our red hots. And that's what we'll be using to decorate the wreaths. So the first thing we want to do is spread some icing on the wreath. And then we're going to take some red hots. These are the red hot candies for decorating. Push one here. And we're going to put one all around the wreath. Okay, and then we're going to add the pistachios. And now this is our pistachio wreath. That's one done. The pistachio wreath cookies have all been decorated. And now they're ready to be enjoyed and they look so festive. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Looks pretty. Green, red, white.
Has the Christmas colors.
Very flavorful, Ma. Pistachio flavor, really nice. Crunchy. The buttery cookie. Sweetness of the icing. Nice combination. Red hot. They're nice. You did an excellent job, Ma.
You did a great job also.
We wish everyone a very Merry Christmas.